Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a little look at the Tres Jolie kit, and the top page here I'm showing you is it does include my digital kit that I just finished, and there will be a separate video going through this, but you get 5 pages of images, and they are awesome. I'm so excited. I've been collecting these, the stuff to go with this. These kits, both the digital kit and the regular kit, are meant to go with the Ooh La La papers from Michaels, and some of those papers and tags and cards will be included in this kit. So, oh yeah, I did just... Okay, so the kit is a very full kit again, and again, it's based on the Ooh La La. So I had this book page, so everybody will get one of those. There are 8 of these kits available. I did add this wrapping paper because I thought that if you didn't want to use the blue, but we could use the lei fleur and the flowers. So you got a piece of this wrapping paper that I thought would be fun. It's all mixed up in here. So you're going to get laces. So this is one of them. You get this double-sided pearl here. These stickers. So it kind of looks like the Eiffel Tower, a crown, and this little silver thing. So there's a mixture of silver and gold. You get this antique looking gold. It is a vintage trim. Gold doily, this little gold flower, or little white flower. You're going to get 5 of these tags. So I'm going to put that back down so it'll be with the others. You'll get this pink handkerchief. So, and they're different, but they are all pink. Everybody got a pink one. And put her down there too. Okay, you get a set of these stickers. You saw these yesterday if you were on the live video. These doily stickers and an index card and some ledger paper. Graph paper, some of my noisy paper, coloring. This is from a mouse pad, coloring mouse pad thing. This is their little hearts raised up on the paper. You're going to get several note cards and note papers. I've been collecting these for a long time. You get the bucket list, the pink, the list, the notes, this one that says things I'm likely to forget, and it's got a check off box here. This one says today, and I thought you could fold this one and you'd have places to put things. Amazing ideas. Again, I thought if we could fold this one and put it in the book, and then this side might even fold over. Got this one here. Choose your own adventure. Got this one. So if it's sort of matched, it's in here. Okay. I thought we could cut this one up, attach it to something, and it could be tags. I thought it was kind of cool. 2 of these. 1 of these. Let's do this. You get a green one and a peachy pink one. You get 2 of these that say noted. 2 of these with the flowers that say don't forget. You get 2 double-sided coloring pages, and I tried to pick ones that yours will be, you'll have, everybody has this and this. Your other side may be different. Okay, but everybody got those 2. You get this peach page. These, you get an address book page, and everybody's are different, but they are either the green or the mint or the pink. So you get this mint paper. You get some of this lace, some of the little lace. There's your little bag that all the metal things will go into. Put that over there. You get a little bag and a paint chip. And Faded Symphony Marquee Mountain Mist Creation Dream Maker. You get a piece of material, and I thought that this actually matched really well. And but it was subtle, so you would be able to do you know, to use it if you wanted to for your cover. And it's a good thickness. It's a blend, and so it's a good thickness there. You get this piece of lace, and we might cut these and make them into tabs, or you can use the square piece. Okay, you get 2 white tags. You get some, let's see, 2 of these. 2 of the Eiffel Tower, 2 of the C'est La Vie Girl, an Eiffel Tower, a Fabulous. This is tissue, and it's 1 Eiffel Tower and then the line of trees. So I have that. Some green or mint paper. You get pearls and ribbon and this piece of trim. Another note paper, some more trim, some baker's twine that you could use to bind your book if it's a small book. You get this one here that says thoughts, 2 of them. 2 of these that say notes. Make today amazing. To do, this is a really nice thickness. Notes. My favorite, the telegram. And my other favorite, the peach paper. Then you get this mint note card, and this could be used in the book, or you could make a separate journal out of it. You also get this mint envelope. A couple more note cards, and this is a note, and you get 3 of these. This one that says now or never, on the back it says this and that. You get a couple of the pinky peach and a blue. It's actually a minty blue card. More doilies. You get a little green one and a white one and a pink. You get, hopefully you get the macaroon. There's 2 different styles of the candy jar, the mason jar. So 3 of these mint. You get 2 of the larger mint doily and the white heart. 2 white envelopes. Here we are at the tags. So you get 5 of these tags. And you could use your ring. I gave you a binder ring here. And you could use your binder ring and bind this together and make a book just out of these tags, adding papers in. I will be making one of those because I still have more of these left. I had this fun little envelope, and I thought we might make it to be a cafe. Or it could be like the flower market or something. I don't know. But I thought it was cool, and it's your something different. Okay, so here are the cards that you get. You get the one with the girl, and on the back it has the Eiffel Tower that says ooh la la. You get this one. It's on both sides. You are amazing. And this one has this on the back. This one is the same on both sides, and you get the little posies with the heart on the back. So you get all of those cards and another envelope. you get this napkin, and this napkin is, the image goes and goes and goes. So it's continued image, which is cool. You get this piece of wired ribbon. You get the bicycle and the Eiffel Tower napkins. This Eiffel Tower napkin has 6 images on it. And this bicycle one has 4 images. You get this, the insert from a photo box and a time card. You get a set of these stickers from Dollar Tree. So you get all those stickers, and I have done a couple videos on using those stickers to make embellishments. You get 2 of these vintage mint envelopes and 2 of these vintage pink envelopes. In the US, you're going to get, oh, I left the tag on it. You're going to get some of this iridescent or pearlescent paint. And I don't get to have one because I gave them all to the kids. So I will be showing you how to use it, but I'll be using gray, okay, or this silver color. So, but that is your other something different, and I'm going to be using it to show you how to do some fun stuff. Okay, so we got that, and you also get a silver glitter glue in the U.S. because I'm not going to send liquids across the pond. So there we go. And right now there's just U.S. listings because I haven't weighed this or measured it or anything. So I will get to that probably by Friday. So these are the flowers that you're going to get in this kit. It's several. And so you get 4 of these paper flowers, and then you get a stem of these peachy pinks, and these that are white with the pink, and these white ones. And then this daisy will be taking it apart, and you'll have 2 sets of petals. And this daffodil will be taking apart, and you get 2 flowers. So you got 2 of the hearts, 3 of the gold medallion, gold discs, some greenery, and then you get the little tiny gold tag, this little tag, and 2 of these. And I thought these kind of looked like perfume bottles. These ones here. Actually, they all kind of do. You get these stickers, and these are chalkboard paint stickers, but you know, but they matched and they were real pretty. You get 2 of these place card holders. I like to use them on the top of my journal page like this. I will attach something to the bottom and something to the bottom. This usually will stick out the top of the book. I think they look cool. You get this little lace doily piece. You get this little metal thing. You saw your big flower earlier. Where is the big flower? I don't know what I did with it. Okay, so I've lost. I'll make sure that it's in there. You will get a big flower and a little flower. So you get this bling and this bling and some tickets and some playing cards. Okay, so these are your plain playing cards. It's you get the Notre Dame and the Eiffel Tower, and then you'll get another one of these. It'll have your washi tape on it, and the other one will have your gold thread. Those are, I left them in the living room. I'm sorry. So you'll have those. Okay, so your tickets, you get this doily. An envelope that has some peach on the back, and this cute gingham card. And you guys all get these too, but there were only 8 of them, so I don't have one for my kit. you get this one, you get this tag, these gold stickers, 2 white tags, and a floral envelope, and this. Then in your metal pieces and etc., you're going to get this Eiffel Tower, and it says Paris here. Some of the wire, your binder clip, your love charm, your silver faceted bling, butterfly clip, a couple of paper clips, and some buttons, some pins, this bow paper clip, some eyelets, your washers, and you get this bead here, and then I'm still adding beads. You'll get more beads, and then also you're going to be getting some papers from the Ooh La La Michaels paper pad will be in your kit, and then of course the digital kit. So this is just a paper that I ran off. It's got each of these. So this is the digital kit. You get that page, you get this page. These are all antique postcards. There's a couple. This one has 2 calling cards and a trading card. And let's see, what else do we have? We have the 3 on a page. So you get another Eiffel Tower and this. Oh, I love that image. So this time I was able to take the end paper from my music book, and I made a paper page, and it has the trading card and one of the calling cards on it. And this is the music, Tres Jolie, Charming Waltz, and I added the postcard and the little trading card up here. You can cut this and just have the music, but I thought it was kind of cool. So this is the 3-page printed at 5x7. I printed 2 5x7s, and these are perfect for belly bands. And so those are the 3 images I picked for your belly band page. Here is the music page done as a page in a book. Here's the music page ready to be cut on board or cardstock. And I think this is my favorite kit so far. It turned out really cool, and it is available in my Etsy shop now. And the kit is available in my Etsy shop as well. If you choose the kit, you will get your digital kit will be emailed to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are going to maybe do some Paris paper crafting. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. Bye.